Imagine sitting at your kitchen table with your morning coffee, typing one sentence into a website, and 90 seconds later, a full, beautiful, professional-sounding song plays back to you, with real vocals, real instruments, and lyrics you didn't have to write. Now imagine that same little song uploaded to YouTube while you sleep, quietly earning you money every single month, for years. That is not a dream. That is not a scam. And that is not something reserved for tech kids in California. That is Suno AI. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to use it and exactly which one simple side hustle to build with it starting today. So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and stay with me, because the step most people skip is the one I'm sharing at minute 7. Let me explain this in plain English. Suno AI is a website. You go to suno.com, you sign up for free with your email, and you tell it what kind of song you want. That's it. You type something like a gentle acoustic lullaby with soft piano and warm female vocals. And about a minute later, Suno hands you back a complete song. Full production, full vocals, full lyrics. No microphone, no keyboard, no music lessons, no software to install. The current version, as of this year, is Suno version 5.5. It can create songs up to 8 minutes long in over 1,200 different musical styles, from country gospel to classical piano to 70s soft rock. Suno recently partnered with Warner Music Group, which tells you this is a serious, legitimate company, not a fad. Millions of people are already using it. And here's the part I love. The free plan gives you 50 credits every single day, which is enough for about 10 songs a day, no credit card required. You can test drive this entire thing today for $0. Now I want to be direct with you, because I know why you're really here. You've watched 100 make money online videos, dropshipping, Etsy, print on demand, affiliate marketing, and something in you is tired of jumping from one shiny object to the next. So today, I'm giving you one idea, just one, and I want you to commit to it for the next 90 days. The idea is this: a relaxation and sleep music YouTube channel powered entirely by Suno AI. Here's why this fits you perfectly. You don't need to be on camera. You don't need to speak. You don't need to dance or point at floating text. You create long, peaceful tracks, sleep music, spa music, rainy day piano, meditation music, hymns for prayer time, and you pair them with a simple looping image or a slow nature video. That's the whole product. The audience for this content is enormous, and it's mostly people just like you and me, folks who leave YouTube running overnight or during naps or while they read. Some of the biggest sleep music channels earn 5 and 6 figures a month, and most of them are one-person operations run from a spare bedroom. Pick this, stick with this. Do not let yourself get pulled into 10 other things this week. How to actually use Suno, step by step. All right, let's walk through it together. Step 1, go to suno.com and click Sign In. Use your Google or Microsoft account. Takes about 30 seconds. Step 2, once you're inside, you'll see a big Create button on the left side. Click it. You'll notice 2 modes at the top, Simple Mode and Custom Mode. Simple Mode lets you type a description and Suno writes the lyrics and picks the style. Custom Mode lets you write your own lyrics and pick your own style tags. For our sleep music channel, we're going to use Custom Mode and check the little box that says Instrumental. No lyrics, just music. Step 3. In the Style of Music box, type something specific. Don't just write relaxing music. Instead, write something like soft ambient piano, gentle rain in background, slow tempo, 70 beats per minute, warm reverb, peaceful, no vocals. The more specific you are, the better Suno performs. This is the #1 mistake beginners make. Vague prompts get vague results. Step 4. Give it a title, hit create, and wait about 90 seconds. Suno will generate 2 versions of your song. Listen to both. Keep the one you like. Step 5. Here is a golden feature, the Extend button. Sleep music needs to be long, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour. You click extend on your track, and Suno continues the song from where it left off. Keep extending until you have a 10 or 15-minute piece. Then you download it as an MP3 or a WAV file. Done. Now, one very important note. If you want to make money from these tracks, you must be on a paid plan. Suno's Pro plan is $10 a month, and it gives you full commercial rights to everything you create. The free plan is for practice only. You cannot sell or monetize free plan songs. So practice for free, then upgrade before you upload anywhere. Here is how the money actually flows in. Path number 1, YouTube ad revenue. You take your 10-minute sleep track, you put it over a still image of, say, a cozy cabin in the snow. You upload it to YouTube with a clear title like Peaceful Piano for Deep Sleep, 1 hour, rainy night. Once your channel qualifies for the YouTube Partner Program, YouTube runs ads on those videos and pays you a share. Path number 2, streaming royalties. You use a service called DistroKid, which costs about $23 a year, and they place your tracks on Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, and about 100 other platforms. Every time somebody streams your song, you get paid a fraction of a penny, and those fractions add up when you have 50 or 100 tracks out there. One quick heads up, avoid CD Baby for this, because they currently do not accept AI-generated music. DistroKid and TuneCore both do. Path number 3, selling to other creators. Meditation coaches, yoga teachers, podcast hosts, and small YouTubers are constantly hunting for royalty-free background music. You can sell licenses to your tracks on your own simple website or on marketplaces for $20 to $50 a pop. Real people are doing this right now. One creator publicly documented earning $8,500 in 6 months, starting from zero, with just a $10 Suno subscription and a laptop. He is not special, he just started, and he did not quit. Here is the part nobody tells you. You are going to generate 20 songs before you get one you love. That is normal. Suno is a slot machine until you learn how to prompt it. Then it becomes a printing press. Log your prompts. Keep a little notebook or a Google Doc. When something works, write it down. When something flops, write that down too. In 30 days, you'll have your own personal recipe book of prompts that consistently produce hits. And please, I'm saying this with love, do not spend the next 2 weeks researching. Do not watch 15 more videos after this one. The women who succeed at this are the ones who open Suno tonight, generate 1 song, and upload 1 video this week. Imperfect action beats perfect planning every single time. You are watching this video because something inside you knows you are meant to build something of your own. That feeling doesn't go away by ignoring it. It goes away by starting. 10 years from now, you're either going to be 10 years older with a catalogue of songs earning you money in your sleep, or 10 years older wishing you had started today. Pick the first one. If this video gave you even one useful idea, do me a small favour, hit that like button, because it genuinely helps women just like you find this channel in their recommendations. And if you're not subscribed yet, click subscribe and turn on the little bell. I put out videos every single week, specifically for women in our stage of life who want to build something meaningful from home on our own terms. Drop a comment below and tell me the first genre you're going to try in Suno. Piano, gospel, country, ambient. I read every single comment and I'd love to cheer you on. Now close this tab, open suno.com and make your first song tonight. I'll see you in the next one.